Media just let it. We are disciplined soldiers.
तुमका साइडलाइन
आता किती झालं पळय new people are being admitted in the Congress party. They are mostly political tourists. They should have started admitting people 1.5 years, 2 years back. Ask them to work for the party. आणि असे झाले असा की एक कॉन्स्टिट्युशन 3-3, 4-4 लिडरांक घेतलेले आहात भितर. तिकीट मधली एक लिडराक उरलेले कितें करतले मागीर? Has the Congress party decided on all this? We want Congress to do well. It is our desire as congressmen that Congress party should form the government. We want that the BJP government should go. And it has to go. But for that, there is nothing coming from the Congress party. We had met Mr. P.C. Chidambaram, Mr. Gundu Rao, 2-3 times. We had explained to them everything what's happening in the Congress party in Goa and how the Congress party should be strengthened in Goa. But no, they were silent. Everything was on deaf ears. It is back to 0-1. Nothing is happening.
अशी ऐकून काही लिडर TMC
Systematic efforts have been done by 1 or 2 Congress leadership to sideline people like us, senior people like us. And I don't know why.
लोकल लेवलचे का सेंट्रल लेवलचे?
Local level. Central level कोण वोकता? म्हाका वोकता आसतले आनी लुजीन फॉलर एका तेका वोकता आसतले बट सगळ्या वोकना न्हू. But it is the local leadership who should be saying.
सर तुम्ही आताच कित्याक उठले? पयलीं कित्याक हे पोलिसांनी रिजनाल्ड मागीर ते सगळे क्वेश्चन बोवा करताले, तुम्ही आताच कित्याक?
Because Reginald is an MLA. As I told you that आम्ही आमचे Bob Porata only in the executive meetings, in the PCC meetings. We are disciplined soldiers of the party. We can't go on just in the air and shout about the party.
Now you are not disciplined.
We are now also very disciplined. Where I
Now
got
you are
said,
coming out now.
how are you coming out with now? Because things have gone out of hand. That's right.
That's right.
You have to give some chance. No,
Chance to whom? The president who is
no
doing this?
to the leadership. Goa leadership.
Which central?
Central as well as local.
So the local leadership is not performing, you mean to say?
Looks like no.
Looks like no. You should tell us what is happening inside the party. We don't know.
See, whatever is happening in the party, we have told the central leadership.
ऐकता तुमचे?
No.
ऐकता आता किती करता तुम्ही?
We are-
तू आता चौथा मनीस असतलो. पहिला आग्नेल येयलो, यतीश येयलो, मारियो येयलो, विजय येयलो. आता तू पांचवो.
Right.
So हे तुम्ही सगळे एकठांय जावन तुम्ही व्हॅल्यू असं कित्याक सांगना?
बाबा दिल्लीला आपोवंक जाय न्हू.
पयल्यारच सांगतले तुम्ही टायमसर इलेक्शन जावन
पळय
वयतले.
सांगता हांव दिल्ली पयले सदर दुकानार आसा कोण मेवता थिंगा
हां.
कोण ना थिंगा.
सो असल्यानी
Right.
काँग्रेसाची परिस्थिती कितें इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार?
ते तुमी विचारात पण
तेंका हांव तुका
फाल्यां
विचारता.
फाल्यां गुंडुराव येतलो पीसी चिदंबरम येतलो तूं सांग. This
लिडर्स
business
तुम्ही
thing.
तुमचे लिडर्स ते आमचे न्हू पॉलिटिकल
No, but
पार्टी.
you have, as a journalist, you have got the full right. You are representing the people of Goa.
हांवें चिदंबरम विचारलेलें हेजें सिजन तुमी आसा पळय तो तांकां वी आर ऑल युनायटेड म्हणून एका दुसऱ्यान सोपयलो विशय.
आय आर युनायटेड.
We are united. We are congressmen.
युनायटेड फॉर
पण
व्हॉट?
पण तुमचे MLA वांगडा दिसना.
यू आर युनायटेड फॉर व्हॉट?
See, you tell me about MLA. I can't reply. MLA should reply.
Luigi is replying.
Mr. See, one by one, you people are addressing your grievances.
Yeah.
Why don't you come
Together.
together,
All
together,
together.
yes.
raise your voice?
Are
Then it
Baba.
becomes a powerful voice.
Hare Baba.
When you
First,
raise single,
first you have to put the water on the gas to heat. Then you have to put the tea leaves. Then you have to put milk. Then you have to put sugar.
Okay.
Then you have to stir. Then you have to have it. A sip. First sip.
सर तुम्ही ते
पण पेटवतो कोण गॅस घ्या म्हणटा आम्ही पेटयताले पेटोवपाचे तुम्ही न्हू गॅस
राव म्हणले.
आम्ही रावपाचे गॅस पेटयताले
म्हाका एक सांगा की तुम्ही सांगितले की कुणाक विश्वासात घेऊ नका कोण येतात ते काय
आणि उदय मडकईकरांक घेतला तेन्ना विश्वासान घेतले तुमकां सांगितलं तुमकां
See, I have no objection anybody coming in my party.
They have to work for 5 years.
They have
So you are on the same lines of those 4 people forward.
yes, they have to work. Everybody have to work.
Are you a part of any group?
No, I am not part of any group. I am a loyal Congress soldier.
Soldier Congress?
Yes.
तू काय पाहते त्यांनी विचारता
Right.
तुझी होची काँग्रेस ती INC or TMC?
I am INC.
INC. क्या या दिसांनी TMC आहे का? So त्या काँग्रेस
See, I don't know what you're talking about TNC.
तृणमूल काँग्रेस.
Yes. Nobody have met me. from-
I never asked. Did I ask you? You are speculating. तू पहिला चुलून गेलो.
My son.
आणि तुका विचारतो ना तू मेवा लाव काय म्हणून. तू किती
I thought so. I heard that.
Ah, like that. Okay.
TMC आहे ना.
TMC येयला म्हणून गोंयांत जाणार तू.
Paper वाचता.
Okay, paper वाचता. There are speculation that Luizin along with his leader, so-called group, I don't know whether you are a part of that group or not because you are also press conference doing your part, could join TMC. Speculations. तू एक पेपर वाचला, पण आम्ही वाचला. So how would you
I
clarify on
don't-
this?
I can't speak for Luzin Kalyan.
No, for yourself.
I can speak for myself. I am a loyal Congress soldier. What a point. We want to strengthen our party. We want to defeat the BJP in Goa. We want to install a Congress government in Goa.
तुका दिसता जातो का गव्हर्नमेंट काँग्रेसाचो आहे कधी जाल्यार?
If the party leadership in Delhi, I'm not talking about change, don't put it in my mouth, is not this thing, then God save.
You feel the president should be changed?
कित्याक
I
आता
don't know. That
No,
is for-
so everybody is pointing
हय.
towards the leadership.
खुबशे
But
तुमचे
nobody
फाटल्या
is telling whether you want to change, whether you want to say anything. Why not?
That is for the central leadership to get the feedback. They must have got the feedback when they came so many times. So many leaders met them. Correct, no? So many leaders met them. So they must have told their feelings of what is happening.
आता तुम्ही तुमचे इतले काँग्रेसमॅन प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता ऑब्वियसली तुमचे प्रेसिडेंट तुमकां चेंज जाय दिसता
म्हाका दिसना.
कित्याक तुमचे तुम्ही
We
तुमचे
want our
allegation तुमचे
president-
मिटींग जायना
We want our president to work hard, sincerely,
He is not working.
not sideline us.
He is not working hard.
It's
So
a very,
that means-
it's
that
a
means-
very dangerous situation of sidelining senior Congress people.
that means JPCC president is sidelining senior congress person. You mean to say like that?
Because whenever somebody comes, we are not consulted.
Like what? Can you give an example?
Example.
What
Can I-
have not been considered?
Not only we, myself, so many other leaders are complaining that new people are coming.
Which
they
are the
are
other
not
leaders?
consulting.
Which are the other leaders who have complained?
There's so many you know about it.
सर आमचे पैसा वगैरे आमच्यावर घातले आणि तुम्ही उगी राहिला
नाही.
मध्यात तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्यावर चालले काय जाता तुम्ही सांगून द्या ना सर आमकां.
You know it, my friend.
ओके एक सांग म्हाका.
तुम्ही किती स्टँड घेतला होता
किती क्षण म्हणजे?
What is your stand?
I want to work for the Congress party.
ना पणजी
I
But-
want to.
सर तुमका साइडलाइन करता न्ही
काँग्रेसची
तुम्ही म्हणता काम करूंक सोदता पण तुमका साइडलाइन करता
आमकां सायडलायन करता म्हणून तुका आपयला न्हू.
सर
लोकांचे गोंयचे लोकांक गमपाक की आमकां सायडलायन करता, AICC गमपाक आमकां सायडलायन करता
सो
म्हणून.
तू मागता गोंयच्या लोकांकडे तुमकां सायलेंट करता हेंका सायलेंट तुम्ही करा म्हणून काँग्रेसाक.
ना हांव तशें म्हणना.
मागीर कोणा कितें कर फायनल कितें
कितें
जालें
म्हूण आमी वे आउट काडूंक जाय.
कसली बे तुम्ही सांगा ना
ते
आमकां.
सगळे लिडरांनी बसून करूंक जाय.
आता केन्ना बसतले ते काय
बसतले.
मागून
बसतले.
आता तुम्ही म्हणता की खूप लिडर्स असतात जे म्हणता की आमकां सायडलाईन करता तो फायनल डिसिजन तुमचो असो आसतलो की जितले लिडर्स म्हणटा ते एकठांय येतले आणि हो इश्यू वयर हायकमांडा कडेन व्हरतले की
Right.
तुमी सिंगल इंडिव्हिज्युअली सगळे
No,
तकलेत
no, no. Army, when Mr. PC came to Goa, individually we met. I had led a group of 5 people.
ओके
Got a point? Including myself, Yatish Naik, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Dr. Pramod Sargonkar, Magir Mario Pinto,
हां
Vijay Pai, and 2 other.
Agnel?
Agnel came with his group afterwards, that 100 people. So we have told that we want to strengthen the party. Congress has got a golden opportunity to form the government in Goa.
Okay, who is misusing this golden opportunity? Please tell us. You don't like. आम्ही जाणा म्हणून सांगणार का?
A few local leaders,
Sir, नाव सांग.
leaderships,
नाव सांग.
that Name will come at the right time.
नेम केन्ना ते माझे इलेक्शन
No man, there's a lot of time I told you.
सर ओके आणि एक सांगता आता उदय पणजे येयला फाल्यां उदया टिकेट दिली एकल्याक टिकेट
हय.
दिली तूं उदया काम करतलो
कितें करतो ना
चालो तेच करतलो करतलो
सपोर्टिंग
पण हांव कितें म्हणटा हू सिनियर इन द पार्टी
आता ते
Senior.
म्हाका दिसता सर
सो
ओके ticket should be given.
how I'm not saying that I should be given only. I'm saying you see who are the senior loyal Congress people who have been in thick and thin with the party.
सर
We did not align with BJP during all this thing. Never.
सेम बात
We did not take any malai from BJP. We were with Congress. We voiced our grievances.
पण एका टायमार तुम्ही बाबूशा कारभार मारले जो बीजेपी कडे होता आता
But
तुम्ही मेयर जावपाचे तेन्ना
please, I want to clarify this thing.
हां.
When Babush Munsara supported me
हां.
to be the mayor, how did he support? Not in love of Suran Putaro. Babush had 17 councillors.
हां.
From 17, two split. Tony Rodriguez and Caroline Paugh. And they went to BJP. BJP were 12. So they 12, 13, 14 zale. Babush became 15. Ruth Furtad and Suran Furtad were a trump card.
ओके
You know that, no?
सो आता कितें जाता
So, out of compulsion, Mr. Babush Mansara said, okay, you take over as a mayor. I took over, and I'm not boasting, but I think I've done something little better. What a point. The magazine of mayors of India was shown Suran Furtad as the CRS mayor of Goa. Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR.
Was it because of Babu's support that you became mayor?
Yes. So, because otherwise the BJP was becoming. Correct, no?
I'm asking,
It is a number game. And I'm thankful that they supported me and I could show my abilities to do something for the city of Panjim. This 14th Finance Commission, Atape Pusheila, that was during my tenure that I met the chairman of the 13th Finance Commission in Marriott Hotel.
काँग्रेसचं प्रेसिडेंट कसे डेव्हलप म्हणजे परफॉर्मन्स आहे तुम्ही सॅटिस्फाय असा
He has to work hard. He has to get us in confidence.
Satisfied? Are you satisfied? Yes or no?
What?
Further, I'm asking one question.
Yeah.
See, all these people, wherever I go to such meetings, I get feedback saying, what you know, he is a junior dictating terms to seniors. Is it right?
I don't know. I don't know. That the people of Goa should know because.
See, Lugina Palu,
Listen. Let me come to you now.
Yeah.
In 2014, we had a Congress government.
Yeah.
Okay? We had a Congress government PPA2 in center.
Yeah.
The church, media, the minority committee people forcefully voted for BJP. Correct, no? And our Congress government fell.
But
Then in 2017, when Mr. Luzin Fallow took over as the president of the Congress party, 17 MLAs got elected.
Then why he was removed from the Congress presidency?
He was because in Congress these are their enemies. We don't require outside enemies. In Congress only,
Who are
don't
those?
make me chief minister. I want to become. Let it. Nobody want to sacrifice for the people of Goa.
Sir, you meant to say during this GPCC president current right now, Girish, it is failed to unite every MLA.
I don't know, but 13 MLAs have gone. Correct? Why they have gone? That you all should understand. No? I am not saying anything.
Surinder, one more thing is that फाटल्या दिसांनी सार्दिनान सांगलें there are no meetings held, no accounts information is being given. Regina said the same thing. पयर विजयान सांगलें, विजय पॅम सांगलें. You also say the same thing.
Yeah, I told you no starting. No executive meeting were held for around 10 months. No PCC office bearers meeting were held. Where we can air our grievances to the president.
Did you inform this to Chidambaram?
Who we have informed him everything.
इतले इन्फॉर्म करो काय करणार ते?
No, I don't know.
मग ते गोयचे बरे चिंता पाड चिंता.
That you have to find out.
तू म्हाका सांग काय करणार ते?
I will tell you the right time.
मागीर लोक तुमच्या कित्याक विश्वास
No. People trust us. That's why 7 times I'm
तुमकां सांगो ना तुमच्याच लीडर तुमकां ट्रस्ट करना आमकां म्हणजे ट्रस्ट करता
No.
लोकांक म्हणजे ट्रस्ट
No. Thank you.
Suren, any harassment is going on in the Congress?
Senior congressmen have been sidelined. There are only two leaders in the Congress party taking all the decisions. Who should come, who should go, who should not come, who should not go. Nobody has been taking into confidence.
Okay.
Who are those?
Who are those?
You know what?
Can I
Can
if
you-
I take
want to know?
names-
Public
if
want
I
to
take names, will you say yes or no?
Arey Baba,
If I say
who? Tell me one thing. Out of the 5 MLAs,
Yeah.
who are ruling there now?
म्हाका खबर ना मेरेच नो नो.
Magir,
If I take names, will you say yes or no?
about what?
सांग रे नाव सांग.
Kamal.
बरं दिगंबर कामत.
He
बरोबर ना?
is the leader of the opposition, no?
आवय मग तुका खबर ना आम्ही एमएलए आमदार
And PCC.
केसीसी गिरीश चोडणकर.
Looks like, no?
Looks like it, yes or no?
Then
Looks like it. Sir, you cannot say it.
it looks like, no?
तुम्ही सांगून जाय न्हू लोकांक कशें गमतले तुम्ही जेन्ना काँग्रेस लिडर सारखे सांगनाले
अरे बाबा.
you are making people confused with all this
No.
things.
People are.
Why should people support you?
गोवा के लोग अजीब है. That was Jawaharlal Nehru said.
माझे कोण तू वगैरे वाटलं.
Thank you.
आहे, घ्या ना.